So welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again, I am back with another interesting question today. So the question says that there is a circle with center at point O. A quarter circle with center at point P is given, and PQ is equal to PR, that is the radius of quarter circle is given to us 6 centimeter. We are asked to find the area of the shaded region. So first of all, what we can do is we can connect these points Q and R, and we know that it will pass through the center O. So let me join these points. So now you may ask why this QR, this line, is passing through point O, that is the center of the circle. The answer is that there is a theorem which says that if this is the diameter of the circle, then the angle subtended by it on its circumference is always 90 degrees. So we can take the reverse of it. If the angle subtended on the circumference by a chord is 90 degrees, then this chord must be the diameter. And that is the reason why QR passes through point O, that is the center of the circle. Now, if we see this triangle PQR, this is a right angled triangle. So here we can apply Pythagorean Theorem in order to get the value of QR. So let us write here QR squared is equal to PQ squared plus PR squared. So what is PQ? 6 squared plus PR is also 6 squared. So this is 36 plus 36, and this will be 72. So QR will be square root of 72 or 6 root 2 centimeters. So we have found the diameter of this circle, that is 6 root 2 centimeter. So let us write here diameter of the circle is 6 root 2 centimeter. So the radius will be 3 root 2 centimeter, and let us clean this entire thing. Now the area of this shaded region is equal to area of this semicircle. This is the semicircle. Okay. So area of semicircle minus this area. Okay. So what is area of semicircle if this circle has a radius of 3 root 2 centimeter? So area of semicircle will be pi times r square divided by 2. So this will give us the entire area of this semicircle minus we want to find the area of this region. So let us keep this as blank. We do not know. Here we can substitute the value. This is pi times 3 root 2 squared by 2 minus, let us keep this as blank. Now what we can do is we can focus to find the area of this region. So this area can be calculated by first computing the area of this quarter circle of radius 6 centimeter. I'm talking about this entire area. And then from this entire area, we can subtract this area of this triangle, this area. So we will be left with only this area, that is what is required. So let us first find the area of this PQR, this quarter circle. So this will be pi times 6 squared divided by 4. So this is the area of this entire quarter circle. Now from this we need to subtract the area of this triangle. This triangular region need to be subtracted in order to get this required area. So we will subtract area of this triangle will be half times base times height. So this value should be placed inside the box. So let us, solve it further. So this is pi 3 root 2 squared. 3 root 2 squared means 3 root 2 times 3 root 2. This will be 9 times 2, 18. So pi, and if this will be 18 divided by 2 will be 9. So we can write 9 pi. Okay. Then minus, and this value, this is 6 squared 36. 36 upon 4 is 9. So this will be 9 pi minus, this will be 3 times 18. And then this will be 9 pi minus 9 pi plus 18. 9 pi and 9 pi gets cancelled, and this will be 18 centimeter squared. So we got the area of the required shaded region. That means this region is 18 centimeter squared. So thank you for watching this video. If you really liked my videos, do share it with your friends and do not forget to subscribe my channel.